In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on double tap on Apple Watch Series 9. So with the end of double tap, you can double tap this to take action on your Apple Watch. This is like a gesture. So when you have an incoming call and you want to pick it, you can just double tap your hands like this to pick up the call. Or you have an alarm and you want to stop the alarm, just double tap like this and the alarm is going to stop. So here, I'm going to show you how to turn on this feature on your Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found out this video, if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable or turn on double tap on Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is click on the digital crown once to go to the half screen. On the half screen, click on settings. Then here on settings space, scroll down until you get to gesture and click on that. Now once you selected gesture, you see double tap, go ahead and click on that. Then turn on double tap. Then you see tap your index finger and the thumb together like this twice to answer a call, reply to a message, see your smart stack, and more. So whenever you have an active call on your Apple Watch and you want to pick it up, just tap your index and thumb together twice and this is going to pick up the call. So that's how you can easily enable double tap on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.